Hello, and welcome to 827 North Kelsey Street in Medical Lake, Washington. This is the large, formal living room as you walk in the front door. There's lots of natural light that comes in from the bay window. As you come in past the stairs, you will get to the informal dining space and kitchen, as well as the slider off the back deck. It's only 4 steps down to the family room, a powder room, laundry room, and the exit to the garage. All 3 bedrooms are upstairs, 2 nice-sized bedrooms off the front sharing the main guest bathroom. Then you have a large primary bedroom with its own private full bathroom toward the rear of the home. From there we take you to the backyard. There is vinyl fencing on both sides in the rear of the lot. If you needed fully fenced and enclosed, one would add 2 shorter sections in the front. Both front and rear yards have auto sprinklers. Thank you again so much for stopping by this listing. Have a great day.